Welcome, fellow boomers. Today we're diving into a topic that's transforming the world right before our eyes: artificial intelligence and machine learning in finance. Now, before you think, oh, this is just for the tech-savvy folks, let me tell you, it's not. AI and ML are doing things that impact our everyday lives, especially in finance. We're talking about things like how banks assess loans, detect fraud, personalize services, and even how our retirement investments are managed. And I'm not just talking big banks here, it's credit unions, investment firms, insurance companies, all of them. So, stay tuned because you might just learn something that could change how you view your financial future. Let's start with the basics. In finance, we have massive amounts of data flowing through every second. Traditionally, analyzing this data was time-consuming. Picture a team of analysts poring over spreadsheets for days just to understand what's going on with a particular market trend or to assess the risk of a new loan. But now, AI and ML come in, speeding up this process drastically. They can scan, process, evaluate, and interpret huge volumes of information in real time. Do you remember a time when you had to wait for bank statements by mail? If you wonder, I mean the kind of mail that we used to get in our physical mailbox. Comment in the comment section below if that brings back memories, and let us know how it felt to finally get those updates. AI is changing all of that. If you wish to find out what it has to do with your money, keep watching. Some of the big players in finance, think JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, are using AI to process their financial statements. Instead of human analysts manually checking every number, AI software scans these documents, extracts the essential data, and delivers detailed insights. It's not just about speed though. AI is helping make these reports far more accurate. Try to imagine, for instance, an AI system that reads through thousands of quarterly financial reports in minutes, while traditional methods could take days or weeks. This lets analysts focus on making sense of what they find instead of getting buried in paperwork. So, next time you hear about streamlining operations, think AI. But it doesn't stop there. AI allows for real-time insights. Remember when stock prices or market updates were something you'd only hear about in the news the next day, or read about it in the next day's newspaper? AI now gives analysts and investors a minute-by-minute look at the market, letting them make informed decisions on the fly. BlackRock, a major investment firm, uses AI to get up-to-the-minute data on market trends, helping them to anticipate changes before they happen. Have you ever wished you had a tool that could alert you to big shifts in your investments? AI does just that. If you ask yourself what all of this has to do with your money, stay with us and you'll discover. One of the more exciting uses of AI is personalization. Imagine a bank that truly understands you, not just your finances, but your goals, preferences, and even spending habits. AI allows banks to provide tailored financial advice to each customer. So if you're someone who likes safe, steady investments, or if you prefer a bit of risk, the bank's AI system can suggest options that fit you. Take Bank of America, for example. They use AI to recommend personalized investment strategies. If you wish, it is like having a personal financial advisor who knows you well, but without the added cost. And the best part? It's available 24/7. Wouldn't you want your bank to know more about you to give you better financial advice? Share with us in the comment section below what you want to get out of these AI tools regarding your money. Another major area where AI is making waves is credit risk assessment. Now, when you hear credit score, you probably think of those standard data points: payment history, debt, credit length, but AI can take it a step further, analyzing non-traditional data like social media activity or online shopping habits. While that might sound a bit invasive, it could actually help people who lack traditional credit history to get approved. There are concerns, of course. Some say that using this data might be biased or even unfair in certain cases. But if done right, it can open doors for many who've been excluded from the financial system. What do you think? Should banks look at our social media or spending habits for credit scores? Let's get a conversation going in the comments. Now let's talk about fraud. AI is becoming a silent guardian in detecting fraudulent transactions. Imagine you're on vacation and you make a purchase in another country. AI can instantly flag that transaction, recognizing it as unusual for your account, and prompt the bank to verify it's you. Or, on the flip side, It might spot a suspicious charge you didn't make, helping to prevent financial losses. If you've ever had a strange charge on your card, you know how unsettling that can feel. AI's role in fraud detection is a big step forward in keeping our accounts safe. Has AI or your bank ever saved you from a fraudulent charge? Stay with us for more. Beyond personal accounts, AI is taking over a lot of the tedious back-office work in banks. Things like loan processing or account setup can now be handled by AI, cutting down on wait times. This means instead of waiting days to hear back on a loan, you could get a response within minutes. For those of us who remember long bank lines, that's a welcome change, right? It's called Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. Essentially, it's AI doing the work humans used to do, but faster and without error. And this is where the workforce impact comes in. Some jobs may disappear, but new ones are created too. What's your take on this? Is AI helping or hurting when it comes to jobs? Now let's get more personal and look at something I'd like to call AI and your money. Whether you're planning for retirement, looking to grow your savings, or just want to keep a closer eye on your finances, AI is now a powerful tool to help you manage, invest, and even spend your money wisely. For many of us, building a secure financial future can feel complex, especially when it comes to investments. But AI is making it easier to tailor investment strategies based on individual factors, like age, income, risk tolerance, and even long-term goals. If you're nearing retirement, AI systems can suggest low-risk portfolios focused on stable growth, whereas younger investors might receive suggestions for a bit more adventurous investments, given they have more time to ride out market fluctuations. For example, have you ever used an investment app that recommends funds or stocks based on your profile? These are powered by AI algorithms analyzing data to create strategies that fit your unique needs. And the more you interact with these systems, checking your portfolio, adjusting your goals, the smarter they get at suggesting investments aligned with your personal objectives. In fact, many financial advisors now work side by side with AI, using it to enhance the advice they give. Imagine having a tool that not only suggests investments but also considers factors like inflation rates or potential market downturns. These tools allow us to make decisions that are data-driven, reducing guesswork and stress. But this also brings us to a question worth discussing. Would you trust an AI with your investments, or do you still prefer that personal human touch? Drop a comment in the comment section below. We're curious to see what you think. Beyond investing, AI also impacts how we handle our day-to-day money management. AI-powered apps can track our spending habits, set up personalized budgets, and even alert us when we're approaching spending limits in specific categories, kind of like a modern-day financial assistant in your pocket. If you've ever received a notification saying you've spent more on dining out this month, that's AI helping you keep your finances on track. And these tools aren't just for the younger generation. Many baby boomers are using them to make smarter choices about spending, budgeting, and saving. Some platforms even give real-time advice, suggesting ways to reduce expenses or optimize cash flow based on spending patterns. Does anyone here use a budgeting app? If so, how has it changed your approach to managing money? Share your experience with us. I bet it could help others looking to take that step. Stay with us while we talk about retirement planning, a topic close to many of our hearts. Today's AI-driven retirement planning tools can calculate different scenarios based on retirement age, desired income, health considerations, and more. These tools project different paths, showing what would happen if you retired at 60 versus 65, or how your savings would grow with various investment approaches. It's like having a retirement consultant who understands the nitty-gritty details but without the hourly fees. AI can provide updates based on market conditions, helping you decide whether it's the right time to start drawing from your retirement accounts or to let them grow a bit more. So, what's your retirement goal? Is it traveling, moving closer to family, or just enjoying a comfortable lifestyle? AI can help you explore all these options. In fact, it's an area where we're seeing incredible developments. So when we talk about AI and your money, it's about making our finances simpler, more efficient, and more in tune with our personal needs and goals. It's about giving us the tools to make smarter decisions today, so we can enjoy more secure tomorrows. If AI can reduce the time we spend worrying about finances and increase our confidence in managing money, I'd say that's a win. But remember, AI isn't replacing us. it's here to work alongside us. It's another tool in the toolbox, helping us navigate the financial world with a bit more clarity and confidence. So, now that you've heard all this, would you consider using AI tools for budgeting, investing, or retirement planning? Drop a comment and tell us how you feel about AI managing your hard-earned money. So, where does AI go from here? The future is looking exciting with concepts like quantum computing and edge AI. These technologies promise even faster data processing and real-time fraud detection, potentially even at ATMs. Quantum computing could solve financial problems faster than today's supercomputers, revolutionizing finance once again. And for our mobile banking apps, edge AI could make them smarter and faster, directly on our devices. It's wild to think about, but we're not that far from a future where AI makes financial services even more personalized and secure. What's the one thing you'd love to see AI improve in banking? Predicting market trends? Detecting fraud faster? Share your ideas. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI in finance is more than a trend. It's a transformation. From personalized banking and fraud prevention to instant loan approvals and cutting-edge tech, AI is bringing the future right to our fingertips. But it's also raising questions about privacy, security, and the balance between human judgment and machine efficiency. If you found today's discussion enlightening, consider subscribing and sharing this video with a friend. And please, let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What excites you and what concerns you about AI in finance? Let's explore these changes together.